Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel CS with Rahul. In this video, I am going to cover another question which is related to your programming skills Java 8, right? So what I will do here, I will check whether two strings are anagrams or not. So guys, we have one question, and this type of question generally interviewer ask in the interviews, like if we have one word like race is there, another word is care is there, so we have to check whether these strings are anagrams or not. Means the first string contains all the characters exactly one time in the second string. So we can see here like R is there in care, A is there in care, C is there, and E is there. Means this string, the first example you can see here, and this is the anagram strings. So in the second example, I can take like computer science. So some of the characters like C is there, E is there. Okay, so this kind of characters are there, but not all the character exactly one time. So this we will going to check whether how can we code about this. So without delay, let's get started. Guys, here I have already created one class which is anagram strings. So first what will I do? First I will create a method like main, because directly I'm going to start, because many of the methods and functions and lambda expressions, everything I have covered in the previous videos. You can check out my playlist in the Hindi language as well as in the English language. You can go there and you can watch whatever your comfortable language is there. So here I am taking string 1, and in string 1 I am taking race. Okay, this string I am taking as a first string. Here you can take it out from the user also, you can take the input also from the user. Another string I am taking like care. Okay, so it doesn't matter that how I am taking the string, like first character is small or first character is capital, it doesn't matter. Okay, so what will I do guys? First we need to think about this, that how can we solve this question. Okay, just to solve this question, what would be our approach? Because once if we are not thinking, then it would not be possible to solve this type of questions. So what we have to do, first of all, you can see in the string that some characters are in the lower case which are different, and some other characters are the in upper case which are different, right? So what we have to do, first we have to make it to the in one case. Like if lower, then all the lowers, both the strings should be in the lower case. If upper case is there, then both the strings should be in the upper case. After that, if suppose someone has given the spaces, so that we have to remove, right? Because we are checking only the characters, not other special characters or space or any other thing, that we are not going to check here, right? So what can I do here? So first of all, I have to do what? I have to make like one, we can say it as a lower case, or directly I can do, no issues, directly I can do string 1 dot two lower case already we have, right? Two lower case already we have, so all the characters would be converted to the lower case. Then to, as previously I have used this chars method in the previous questions, where it returns the int stream. Okay, it will return what? It will return the int stream. So it would be easier, right? So another approach which I told you that I just forget it to write here. Let me write it here. So first we need to call the replace all, means whatever the special characters are there. Okay, whatever the special characters are there, so that I need to remove it from the string 2, which is what? This special character from the empty string that I am doing here, right? After that I will convert it to the chars, means int stream dot chars, right? So this I have done. What I did first, I have converted into the lower case. After that I have converted into the, I have replaced all the spaces, whatever the spaces are there. after the chars, as you already know that in the int stream, right, in the int stream we have one method. Which type of method we have? We have the sorted method, right? Sorted method already, because anyhow we need to combine it and match it, right? Anyhow we have to match it. So what we will do, we will convert this. After the sorting we will convert it to the to array. Once we have converted into the int stream, and we have called it after the to array method, right? So this is the first one, this is the first thing which we have applied, the first operation with the string 1, right? The same thing I am going to apply. Why I am doing this, why I have put it the comma operator here, will tell you. See, the same thing, first we are converting it, replacing it, converting to the int stream, then calling the sort method, then to array method. Why I am calling the to array? Because you already know that we have one class which is array class, right? We have one class which is arrays class, and inside the arrays we have one method which is equals method, where we will provide the int stream. So it will check whether int arrays, it will check whether both the arrays are equals or not, right? What we will check? Both the arrays are equals or not. So here I have given the first parameter, like this is the first parameter, and the same thing in the second parameter I have given. Right here I need to put the bracket only, that's it. This is your question, guys. You don't need to provide any legacy loop or this and that, nothing. First what I did, let me tell it again. First what I did, I have converted to lowercase, then replace the spaces. Through the character stream I sorted the streams, and after that I have converted it to the to array, and the same thing I have applied in the second string, right? And anyhow it will give the true or false, right? Anyhow, so I am taking boolean result is anagram, I can say is anagram. So now the result will be stored here in this variable, which is anagram. Okay, so what you have to do, you have to check and print out. How? Just is anagram, if it is true, then what you can do, you can sys out, you can do sys out strings str1 plus and str2 plus are anagrams, anagram strings. Okay, so this is the output in case of true result. Okay, str1, sorry. Okay, next, else if it is not true, then what we need to do, we need to say like these are not anagrams, that's it, nothing else. After the else, are not anagrams. I hope guys you are clear till now. What you have to do, first we'll see the output, then you have to pause the video, take the screenshot or pause the video and just see the result. See, race and care are anagram strings. Why they are anagrams? We can take another string like listen, and another string we can say like listen silent. Okay, right click, run as. Listen and silent are anagram strings. But if I'll change it, right, if I'll change n 2 times, then what would be happen? Then right click, run as. Both are not anagrams, means is the character, each character should come exactly 1 time. Okay, computer science, saving it, right click, run as Java application. See, computer and science are not anagram strings, right? So again let me do it, race and here care, saving it, right click, run as Java application. Now you can see race and care both are the anagram strings. So I hope guys you are clear with this and you will practice about this, because without practice, as I say, nothing is possible. In programming world you have to do the practice. And guys, I am creating the videos in both the languages, Hindi and English languages. I am creating the shorts video which is related to the concepts of the Java, which you can revise anytime easily. Okay, so that time also you can do it. Right now, if you are liking my hard work, then please do hit the like button, share this video, comment your gratitude to this video, subscribe my channel, press the bell icon so that you will get the notification of the updated videos very fast. Till then, keep learning, keep watching, keep coding. We will meet in the next video. Thank you so much.